Here we are on page 9, answers 1 through 12. Start with number 1. Here we have t to the 4th and to the 0. Anything to the 0 is 1, so we just have t to the 4th. Number 2, here we have r to the cubed squared r to the 7th. This is exponent to exponent, that means multiply, so we have an r to the 6th, and r to the 7th. Adding those up because we're multiplying them, we get r to the 14th power. Number 3, a to the 5/7 b to the 3rd times a squared b to the -7. So the a to the 5/7 and a squared multiplying, we add exponents, so we have 5/7 plus 2. 2 is 14/7, so this is going to be a to the 19/7, and b cubed b to the -7th. We're multiplying, so that adds them. 3 plus a -7 is a -4. Means we're going to have a to the 19/7 over b to the 4th. Negative exponent puts it down on the bottom. Number 4. We're going to take this negative exponent right here and flip him up to the top, so we have an h to the 4th and an h to the 7th. That's h to the 11th on top. And then here we have this -3/2. We'll go down here to the bottom. F to the -3/2. Down here on the bottom is an f to the +3/2. F to 7/2, f to the 3/2. Those will add, and we'll get f to the 10/2, which is f to the 5th power. Number 5. Q to the -8 over q to the -12. We could do this a couple ways. The first way would be to flip that down there and flip that guy up there, so we get a q to the 12th over a q to the 8th. That will leave us with a q to the 4th. The other option is to just do the division rule, where you take q to the -8 minus a -12. -8 minus a -12, -8 plus 12 gives you q to the 4th. Either way is okay. Number 6. We have an m to the 4/3 over an m squared. This is division, so we subtract them. 4/3 minus 2, that's 4/3 minus, 6/3, that's m to the -2/3 power. We don't leave negative exponents, so that is 1 over m to the 2/3 power. Number 7. G to the 7th squared times g to the 5th. That's g to the 14th. That's multiplication when we do exponent to exponent. G to the 5th, that's g to the 19th power. That's the multiplication rule. We add the exponents. Number 8, we get 8 to the 4/3 d to the 28/3. That's exponent to exponent. That's multiplication. 8 to the 4/3 we can simplify. Cube root of 8 is 2 to the 4th power is 16. D to the 28/3. Number 9, that's 6 to the -5 and x to the -5. So if we were to take 6 to the -5th power, that's going to be 1 over 6 to the 5th, which is, if you punch that in your calculator, 7776 x to the 5th. Both of those are on the bottom because of negative exponent. Number 10, 2 to the -3 over c to the -24. This is exponent to exponent, so it will multiply. That 2 will come down as an 8 on the bottom, and that c to the 24th will go up on the top. I want to do this one in a different way, just so you can kind of see the flexibility you have here. If we were to take this negative sign and apply that, that would be c to the 8th over 2 all to the 3. We took that negative, and a negative means you flip it. So then we could take c to the 8th cubed, that's c to the 24th. 2 to the 3rd power is 8. And we get the same answer either way, so you can either apply the entire exponent to what's in parentheses, or just apply the negative and flip the whole thing, and then apply the 3rd power. Number 11. M to the 4th squared is m to the 8th. N to the -3 squared is n to the -6. We don't want to leave a negative exponent, so this guy will travel up to the top with a positive exponent. That's m to the 8th over n to the 6th. And number 12. Oh boy. Let's put the negative on everything first, and then we'll flip it, and then we'll do it the other way. So we get 9 to the negative 4, k to the positive 20, j to the negative 12, over k to the 3 halves times negative 4, that's a negative 6, j to the 5 halves to the negative 4, that's to the negative 10th power. So now switch them all around, we get a k to the 20th on top. The 9 to the 4th goes to the bottom. J to the 12th goes on the bottom. This k to the negative 6 will go up to the top as a k to the 6th and a j to the 10th. That means we have k to the 26th on the top and 9 to the 4th power. Punch that in your calculator and you get a 6561. J to the 12th, j to the 10th gives us j squared on the bottom. You could do that by 10 minus 12 is a negative 2 and then flip it down, or realize that you have 2 more j's on bottom than you have on the top. You could also, like we did before, take that negative and flip everything first and then start moving it around, and I think you'd take care of some of those negatives a little bit earlier.